specific number. Okay? What is the relationship between the 4 in each of the numbers 24,568 and 13,472? I'm going to go through this quickly. Watch my steps. Keep an eye. My first step is to what, everybody?
Plot the number in the face value chart.
So I have 24,568. I'm going to underline my 4 just so I don't forget. I also have 13,472. I'm concerned about my 4s, which is why I underline them. My next step, draw an arrow from the smaller underlined place value column to the bigger underlined place value column. Smaller column to the bigger column. Each arrow is a power of 10. Multiply the 10s. I only have one 10, so it's by itself. Watch how I write this sentence because it's different than my other sentence. The 4, because that's what we're talking about, in 24,568 is 10 times more.
13,472.
You guys did not get tricked. Give yourself some shine. Give your neighbors some shine. Okay, put your eyes on me. This is super important. We are about to enter We Do World. We Do World is where you get to use your whiteboards. Not yet. Don't touch them. They're still getting warmed up from your bottoms. This is where you get to use your whiteboards to practice. Now, normally Ms. Ramish gives you like 2 or 3 problems to do. I don't think that's enough, so I gave you a lot of problems to do. And we're going to go through them really quickly. That means that you have to get with the program, right? That means that if you don't know what to do, look at the chart, move with us. If you don't know what the next step is, look to see what you already did, do the next step. If you're having trouble figuring out what the problem is asking for you, you gotta look carefully at it. Okay? Anne, you're welcome to come to the carpet with your board. Okay. Homework. It's over in the yellow bin. Look at the paper that says homework. That's a style homework. And come to the carpet. Okay. You're going to make the same chart and show the same work that I have on my board. Got it?
Got it.
What is the relationship between 220, go? You can't hold it. You're missing out on the work time. You okay with that? Better hurry up so you get back here. Go, 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 go. Remember, I'm actually looking for your answer set in, so you have to have all the parts. When you erase, keep your chart. You and I will share some. Okay, you can see it's lining up. Your first step is to plot your numbers. Tiffany, good. Keep going. You fixed it, I see. When you're done, erase. When you've shown me your answer, you can erase. You get it now, right? You feel better? Good, excellent. Erase. Nope, we don't have a 2,000. Press, we don't have a 2,000. Good, we're done. Good. When you erase, leave your board. Good. Leave your 1s, 10s, 100s. Go.
Oh.
Good. 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 I checked to make sure you have the numbers in the right order. Not 2 times. Everything is a power of 10. Nope, that's not how we do it. Yep. Yes. I can't read your sentence. There you go. 20 is 10 times less. in your board, you have 10, 9, 8, then what? 7, 6, 5, we have 2,200, not, or 220, not 2,000. Yes, 4, look at the two numbers that we have. We don't have any 2,000. 3, 2, 1. Great, watch me do it. Watch how fast I can do this. Put your boards down, put your eyes on me. If your board is in your hand or your marker is in your hand, it becomes mine. Drop them in 3, 2, 1, dropped. I have 200. I have 20. I'm drawing an arrow from the smaller place value to the bigger place value. Each arrow, eyes are up here, is a power of 10. I only have one power of 10, so I actually don't need to multiply at all. 200 is 10 times more than 20. Got it?
Got it.
That's how fast I should be able to see you do your work. Next one, 60 and 6,000. I shouldn't see any 600 because we don't have any 600s. We're talking about 60 and 6,000. Quick, quick, quick. Nope. You already have it for your 60, not your 6,000. You also don't need to do your dots unless you need them. Yep. You're on the right track, keep going. More or less. Look what you're about to write. Good. No, let me see. Nope. Look at how many arrows you have. Yep. Your number is right, but 6. Did you fix it? Let me see. Let me see. You fixed it. Good. Beautiful. Beautiful. Let me see. I was saying beautiful to Prima. Beautiful. You need to do 6,000 right now. I don't have any arrows. I don't have any powers of 10. If you don't do all the work, I can't help you. You have 2 arrows, so you need to multiply. You did multiply. Good. Look at your arrows. How many arrows do you have, Jade?
2.
Then you need to multiply. You have 2 arrows. You need to multiply. Yes. Yes. 6,000. Yeah, but you didn't multiply. It still says 10 times. It's not 1 10, it's 2 10s. So you gotta multiply your 10s. Hi, Miss Lee. Yes. You have 2 10s. You're not multiplying your 10s together. You're missing part of step 3, Trinity. Each arrow is a power of 10. Multiply the 10. So if you have 2 arrows, you need to multiply your 2 10s. Same thing. You have 2 arrows, you can multiply your 2 10s. Don't add them, multiply them. Beautiful. Better. Yes. Yes. You have 2 arrows. That means it's 100 times, right? 10 times 10 is 100. Okay, no, that's right. Your sentence is wrong. Look at your sentence. Focus. I'll talk to you second. Nope, you have 2 arrows. Okay, pause. Boards down, markers down, and 5, 4. I'm going to shout up here. 3, 2, 1. If your marker's in your hand, we have an issue. Put it down. Okay, watch very carefully. All boards down, all markers down. This is where I think some of us are getting into trouble, and I want to fix it kapooey right now. This is the big step that we're missing. 60, right? 6,000. Everybody got this part. Give yourself a little shine for getting that part. Everybody got that. The next step says draw arrows from the smaller underlying place value to the bigger one. So I have an arrow, and I have an arrow. No one should be talking. No one's pencil or markers in their hand. Put it down. Thank you. Each arrow, step 3, says each arrow is a power of 10. Multiply in the yellow basket. It says spiral former. multiply the tens. This is where almost all of us are messing up. So the fact that we're watching Anmon get his homework is confusing to me because this is the part that we're messing up. I have everyone's eyes up here. We have 2 tens. You don't add them, you don't hang out with them, you don't play basketball with them, you multiply them. That's the M in the PAMs. Don't forget your M. Multiply. 10 times 10, everybody.
100.
6,000 is 100 times more than 60. 60 is 100 times less than 6,000. You had the 2 arrows. You had the 2 arrows. Damani, you had the 2 arrows. The step you're forgetting is to do your power of 10 and to actually multiply them for your sentence. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
We're going to practice one more like this because I'm not sure we all get it. Forget 60 and 6,000. Do 8 and 800. Say it, turn around so I know your face is on. 8. What is the relationship between 8 and 800? Do it just like all your other ones. And make sure you follow each step. Everyone should get this one right. Yep. Yep. Nope. You have 2 arrows and you're not multiplying your tens, Damani. That's exactly what I just said. Throw out the gum and start paying attention. Yes. 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 80 is 10 less than 800? 800 minus 10 is 790. Not 10 less or 10 more, 10 times less. Yes. Yes. Got it now? We're not talking about 80, we're talking about 8 and 800. Yep.
Are we doing another one?
Nope. Not right this instant. I'm not doing 80. I'm doing 8 and 800. Yes. You have 100 underlined 3 times. Why does it say 10 times less? You have 100 underlined. So why do you have 10 in your answer sentence? Stop pulling this in front of my face. I'm talking to Jaden. Yes. Yes. Beautiful. Yes. Yes, Jaden. Good. Nope, you have 2. Look, Michaela, pause. 10 times 10. 100. So why do you have a 10 in there? Yes. Yes. Beautiful. No, you have 100 right here. Why do you have 10 in your sentence if you have 100 right there? The number you end up multiplying is the number that needs to be in your sentence, Russ. If you got 100, 100 needs to be in your sentence. Yes. Okay, erase your boards. You have 10 seconds to erase your boards. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, erase the whole thing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. What is the relationship between 50 and 5?